Hello everyone, very good morning. Today we are going to discuss on streams in Java. Uh, Suppose we see a basic example in streams which is group by. Suppose we have employee object and wherein we have employee ID, employee name, salary, department, addresses, and their skill sets, and we need to group them by a department. This is a classical example which we use to demonstrate as a hello world project in streams. First we will go through that. For a group by, there are collectors called group by and collectors dot grouping by concurrent provide us these functionalities which we do not need to write few lines of code. It reduces the boilerplate of traditional code which we use in Java. We jump right now jump into the coding part. What I have made is like I have created a employee class which has ID, name, age, salary, gender, department, city, and year of joining. I am initializing inside the class all these values, and I am having a toString method to get printed the values of the employee object, and I have add all the getter setter boilerplate code here. Now, moving back to the code. Now we have an employee or grouping by class. We will demonstrate how a group by class works. I am creating an employee list which has employees as an object, and I am adding all the employee object. So I am adding all the data here. Consider for employee object 1, I have name as Yangsha and age is 28, salary 123, and gender is female, and department is HR, and the city is Bangalore, and the year of joining is 2020. Similarly, I have n number of objects. So this is how an employee group by is performed. I have created a method perform group by. Here I am creating a map. So I want to group by and the string and the list of objects. So the expected output is HR, and the key is HR department name, and the value is a group of objects who are related to HR department. And similarly, IT will be the key and group of employee objects, which is combined into a list, and it is grouped accordingly. So whichever key we need to group by, it comes as it comes as a key, and the object itself will come as a value. Now, employee list, I am using parallel stream. We can use stream as well, and then dot collect, and we have this collectors dot grouping by, and I am mentioning the employee object and the department name. So, and I am printing the result map. Result map is the entire result set map. Now, I have created a public static void main class where in employee object group by I am creating an employee object and then calling this method. Now, we will run this file. Yes, and if you could see, I'm printing a map, and we have key as HR and the value as employee objects, which is related to HR department, and similarly we will have for all other department as well. To have some clarity, I am just copying. I'm just copying this object and I'm pasting it here for our understanding. What I will now right now do is like so now for the key HR, these are all the employee objects which are related to HR department, and if you could see all our HR department, and for key IT we have grouped all the IT department or employee objects into a list. So key will be the value which we need to group by, and value will be the group of results. It could be list and any kind of data structure as well. So thank you and have a very good day. Thank you for watching this video, and for more such videos, please do follow Intrinsic Intelligence and subscribe for regular updates. And I have also provided the GitHub repo link. Thank you once again and have a very good day.